Alright guys, well, I have good news and I have bad news. So let's just get the bad news out of the way. The bad news for everybody that's seen my autocross videos thus far, I actually really like drifting. I know it's irresponsible, I know it's childish, I know it's insane, but it's just, what's not to like? I'm dead tired. I actually just got back from Orlando. I just arrived at the drift event at PBIR, plugging the US Drift Circuit logo here. It should be a very cool event. There's some people here that I've met previously at other events I'm really excited to see. We're gonna kind of film my experience of the event, but kind of go through the flow and show you guys what they do and kind of how I met them and why they're so cool to me. going to the big track now. What you just saw was the go-kart track. It's actually both tracks going on right now. And jeez, this is insane. Okay, you're gonna like this.
Okay, so what are you doing while a laptop takes forever to boot up? Maybe on sound houses aren't working, or maybe just stay out in space.
So, unfortunately, this is where the video takes a little bit of a disappointing, it's not disappointing, I mean, it's a good thing at the same time, but here's the deal. Essentially, we were planning, myself and Mr. Breathe Free, I'm going to keep plugging Instagrams, so you know the people I'm talking about. Unfortunately, while I was out filming earlier with those first clips, He's just essentially super busy. Like, he has person after person after person doing a ride along with him. I literally went and purchased a ride along band and just had to return it because it just looks like he's having mechanical issues, and that's just the name of the game when it comes to drifting. Unfortunately, it's super hard on these cars, and also we're talking a 2JZ S14, so this isn't a normal car. It's not a normal situation, so it's unfortunate that it couldn't last long enough for me to get the ride along, but you know, it's still a good thing because he's so busy, and all of the reason why I wanted to do a ride along with him, all of the proceeds are going to charity with him, which is great. So I wanted to, you know, do my part, have fun, bring a little fun to the video, but unfortunately at this point I'm gonna have to hop back on the gimbal, hop back on the other camera, and just get some good clips as the daylight winds down here. Essentially, it's going to be wrapping up the video, unfortunately, with the light situation. I'm going to do my best. We'll see how it turns out. Check out Peter's Instagram, who's a fantastic photographer here in South Florida, and he just takes awesome pictures. He's at every event that I go to, almost every event that I go to. So check both of them out, and I will see you in a second back on the pretty cam. Peace.
JHC Beats.